So, good morning everyone. I am Mary Julia Guno, your presentator for today. Welcome to CAT Accounting Firm OPC. So, for our agenda for today is a brief description about our company, our core values, our mission and vision, our team, our company policies, our employee benefits, your responsibilities, and phases of the performance appraisal system. Lastly, if you have any question, you are free to ask. For brief description about our company, at CAT Accounting Firm OPC, we are a leading full-service accounting firm dedicated to providing high-quality financial solutions to our clients. Established in 2022, we specialize in a wide range of services, including bookkeeping, auditing, tax preparation, consulting, and business advisory. Our clients span across various industries, from small startups to large corporations, and we take pride in helping them navigate the complexities of finance and accounting. Our firm is built on a foundation expertise, integrity, and a commitment to delivering exceptional results. We are known for our collaborative approach, attention to detail, and ability to provide tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of our clients. Next is our core values. We have client commitment, quality, integrity, and teamwork. For our mission and vision, our mission is to provide accurate, reliable, and timely accounting services that helps individuals and businesses make informed financial decisions and achieve long-term success. Our vision is to be a trusted leader in accounting services known for integrity, innovation, and exceptional client support. So next is our team. We have Ms. Kyrie Chu, CPA, our CEO, Mr. Francis Mercer, our Executive Director, Ms. Juliana Silva, CPA, our Head Accountant, and then yours truly, Mary Julia Guno, your Admin Supervisor. So we have policies, collaborative, professional development, work-life balance, integrity and accountability, inclusivity, attendance, leave, and then non-disclosure agreement. For collaboration, we encourage open communication and teamwork both within departments and across the firm. For professional development, we support our team members' growth through continuous learning and development, whether it's through certification, workshops, or mentorship programs. We are committed to helping you achieve your goals. For work-life balance, of course, we understand the importance of healthy life-work balance. While we work hard to meet our client needs, we also make time for team building activities, social events, and ensure flexible working options are available where possible. Next is integrity and accountability. We hold to the highest ethical standards and take responsibility for our action. We have inclusivity. We embrace diversity and strive to create inclusive environment where everyone feels welcome, respected, and supported. Next is our attendance. We work from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. And then next one is your leave. Once you are regular, you will be entitled for sick leave, vacation leave, bereavement leave, maternity leave, and then etc. For non-disclosure agreement, once we finish this presentation or orientation, we will be having a non-disclosure agreement and you need to sign it. Next one is employee benefits. We have government mandated benefits, which is SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and then HMO. We have also rice subsidy, company uniform, communication allowance, birthday incentives, Christmas and New Year bonus, and then retirement pay. For your responsibility, first is bookkeeping and data entry, accounts payable and receivable, bank reconciliation, payroll support, financial reporting support, tax support, document management, lastly is general administrative support. For bookkeeping and data entry, you will be record daily transaction in accounting software, including sales, purchases, payments, and receipts. Next is for account payable and receivable. process incoming invoices and ensure that they are correctly encoded, authorize and process for payment. Next is bank reconciliation. Reconcile bank statements with internal records on a daily basis. Next one is payroll support. Assist with processing payroll, including tracking employee hours, collecting deductions, and ensuring timely payments. Next is financial report support. Assist in preparing basic financial reports such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Next is tax support. You will be gather necessary financial documents and data to support tax filings. Next is document management. You will be organize and maintain digital and physical financial records in accordance with the company guidelines. Lastly is general administrative support. You will be assisting the accounting department with administrative duties such as filing, answer inquiries, and managing correspondence. Lastly is our phases of the performance appraisal system. For phase 1, onboarding, you will gain an understanding of the company's financial systems and policies. Phase 2, integration, start managing core tasks like invoices, transaction, and reconciliation. Phase 3, your responsibilities. You will be manage full scope accounting functions and propose process improvements. Lastly is phase 4, evaluation. Demonstrate proficiency, meet performance metrics, and prepare for permanent role. So, do you have any questions? So, none. Okay, so I hope you will learn something about our company, and welcome again to CAT Accounting Firm OPC.